Mwiroreri wa metha ya Kagoni uri mwega angikorwo wi muikari wa Nyeri kana wanaikara Nyeri. I'm very sure ni woi salon yetagwo La Chic. It was one of the best salons in Nyeri town. Yaranagwo ni mutumia wetagwo Susan Wanjira. Susan Wanjira ni mutumia who has done very well in business ya salon na business ige itiganite. Yet she's single. Na muthenya wa umuthi haha gutwira atiriri, it doesn't matter kana we you are a single mom, a single lady, kana kuria umite. What matters is that you have all the ability, you have all the potential gutwika kiria wendaga. Na maruo maria wanagerera kīhiko-inī kana kuria kungi matiagirirwo ni ku define your destiny, no magiriro ni gugu push gukinyira destiny yaku. Ucio niwe mutumia uria tukunyita ugeni thiini wa tabarira itu metha ya Kagoni haha metha-ini ya Kagoni. No mbere iyo,
our hearts beat to the city streets, we began to feel the fire, we rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the...
Tulisema huu ni mwaka wa kupeana manyumba, huu ni mwaka wa kuondokea rent. O wiki ndiraugire ni ndikuonagia a complete project ya Promito. Ndirakuonirie a bungalow in Kikuyu. Now I want to show you a 4-bedroom mansionette guku mwena wa Thika. Here it is. Welcome home, mwiroreri. Do you like the cladding? Iria iragutunga haha entrance ine, and of course I am very sure you like the rough and tough rangi uria hakitwo guku nja, giving that house a very elegant look. Ebu tuingie huku ndani tuone vile hii nyumba inakaa. As usual gwiraga trademark ya Promito ni gutigirira murango uria wekirirwo is beautiful and very strong, guaranteeing your security. Ebu tuingie huku ndani tuone vile kunaka. When is the last time you saw such a masterpiece? Oh, this is what you call simple but elegant. We have a fireplace hapa. Agenda gwakia mwaki riria kuri na heho ni agwakia mwaki. You have sockets to place your TV here if you don't wish to light fire yaku hahogwo. But if you wish to light the fire, we have more sockets on this side, making this a TV area. And of course, wall bracket ici cia thitima ni wona uria cihana is it, and also tawoyo we haha gatagati-ini, the centerpiece, how it is so beautiful. Wow. Okay, my living room re uraigira thiini wa the dining area. This is such a big room. Egiganira ndio ya doigana magiganira guku, and of course niwirika kuona sink hano. This is so beautiful. This is what struck me riria nyingirire guku. Let me show you the kitchen. We always sample the kitchen in all the houses that we do, and I am very sure that you're going to love this one. Now this one is already done. The hob. Is it the hob? Yes. The hob is already done. Na kiria na oven yake already niekirite. We've used granite. The on worktop is granite. Na yothe ni granite. Just look at this sink. And the kind of tap ekirito haha. This is what we call a mixture of standard and hybrid, a mixture of standard and hybrid. And as usual, our trademark is that you have enough storage in your kitchen. All these are cabinets, and and we have a pantry area here with more storage hapa. And something very unique about this house on Agotweka in Naidosiganetio haha is that it has a very nice washing area. You store your detergents, your pegs, your everything hapa. Unafulia nguo zako pale kuna washing basin mbili unafulia hapo. Very nice. Durafatara kumana guku jagodabia nguo ciaku. Now let's look at the first bedroom very fast. Gwiria nyubeno ni a bedroom. Inya bedroom imwe ethe. That's the common washroom. Na bedroom ito ere haha. This is our bedroom. No me to a guest bedroom with its own wardrobes. and of course it's ensuite in a toilet yayo hau uguo na shower ya gwithambira. Very beautiful. Now, most of the rooms they are similar to that room, but I want to show you the master bedroom. Now, before we get to the master bedroom, this is the staircase. Always, nyubere awakiro, make sure that staircase ishiaku ni raidi kuhaba. Now, this is what you would call a family room. Haha no haiganire a five-seater comfortably as the living room. 2 more bedrooms, and this is the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. This is the bed area. Oria gwiraga uyu agenda kuiga gitanda gia 10 by 10 akoragwo ni kuruni gukoragwo nakio nige kuiganira na bado atigie small space, and of course and a balcony facing to the neighborhood. Kiroko ni akumire haha eonere neighbors, eonere statoria ehana maundu macio mothe. And then of course I told you about nowadays is about a walk-in closet, and this is what we have here with sliding doors. A walk-in closet with sliding doors. Now utamu iko hapa, anasemanga utamu ni kuoga. Utamu my friend ni kuoga, and this client opted that tumweke a bathtub. Did you know that water is therapy? Kindu gitagwo hydrotherapy. Riu we aumira wira nogete ri ariukaga akarika haha thiini agecoka akaruta stress ciake ciothe in her own home, si rental, kwa nyumba yake. Haya, na ukoreto kijuria okay Monica ni gwambiriria, how do I start my customer journey? It is very easy. The first step no kuoya namba yaku ya thimu uhure 0729 506 506. You start your customer journey na kuhigura kindu gita construction account, then muikare thi na our experts utaririo renda nyumba ihana atia na umaikare thi mashore kuringana na vision iyo ihakirine ciaku. Then you given the BQ ikukwira urabatara mbeca ci ira nyumba iyo yaku igwakwo na mbeca cigana na we ukuraise 30% ni mbeca cigana, then ugu finance na mbeca cigana, then muthie na mbere uririhaga atia. We have a repayment period of up to 7 years. Turauga atiriri rent iyo urihaga hari nyumba itagatuika yaku ri reke rent iyo umihuthagire kuriha hari nyumba yaku, na nyumba yaku yathira ri nie Kagoni goka ngunengere safi cia nyumba yaku were darling, welcome home.
We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Safari itu ya guthie China this October is still on. It is very on. Ririkana twamipostponire kuma April tukimitwara October ni undu wa maundu maria makoretwo magithie na mbere thini wa kimabũrũri. We all know what is happening with Iran and US and Israel na uria affectete mithiire ya ndege kundu gutiganite, either ndege igakorwo itirathie kana igakorwo ni ciagia goro muno. Koguo tukona we can't review the package we had given you tondu ni kugia goro muno. So what we did, we postponed up to October hoping that maundu ni megukorwo stabilized by then. So what does this mean for you? We already guthie na ithui April bado ngiahotire ni undu wa itumi tiganite. Now wina mweke wa guthie na ithui to China this October, kana we utaiganitie mbeca, now you have enough time ya kulipa pole pole. From now hadi October you have about 5 months cia kuriha pole pole. Na turauga is travel with purpose tondu turathi gukana attend the China Canton Fair tuthome maundu ma biashara. We wendaga ku import indo itiganite umenye kuria ciumaga, ciendagio no ugucicipu atia igugukinyira haria uri atia na ciumaga ku. Muthi uyu ungiigwo China wiro thi ukagure matawa ungimaruta ku. So that is the purpose of this trip. It's a guided trip. Koguo ni ukero matawa maumaga kuna nguo cia ciana ciumaga kuna, beddings ciumaga kuna, whatever you're looking for nĩ ũgakorwo ũgĩtarĩrio ciumaga kuna. Then nĩ tũgagũcaria one of the busiest and biggest market in China ĩtagwo Fushan market, na tũgakorwo tũgĩkuonia kũndũ gũtiganĩte, na kũrĩa gũtarĩ thĩinĩ wa itinerary rĩ, you'll be guided na wenda gũtwarwo at an extra cost. So package ĩyo tũkũhete screen-inĩ yaku ĩrũgamĩrĩire thogora wa ndege, kũrĩa ũgũkoma, breakfast, entrance ya Canton Fair na Fushan market, na kĩrĩa gĩtarĩ thĩinĩ wa package ĩno rĩ, nĩ ũkwĩrwo nĩ kĩna na kĩna na kĩna, so that you sort yourself out. But it is a guided trip. Ĩtĩkĩra kwaranĩria na Bountiful Safaris, namba nĩ ngwandĩkĩire hau screen-inĩ yaku for more information na kĩũria kĩrĩa gĩothe ũngĩkorwo ũrĩ nakĩo. Na rĩu mwĩroreri ũkũnjĩtĩkĩria nyite ũgeni Susan Wanjira, angĩkorwo wĩ mũikari wa Nyĩrĩ, I'm very sure mũmũĩta Wanjira. Karibu sana Wanjira.
Asante sana.
Thengiũ mũno nĩ gũka metha-inĩ ya Kagoni.
Appreciate it.
Nyĩrĩ nĩ kuo ciarĩirwo kana Nyĩrĩ nĩ gũka wokĩte kũruta wĩra?
Njarĩirwo Nyĩrĩ, born and brought. My parents are from Nyeri. Yeah.
Side ĩrĩkũ ya Nyĩrĩ?
Scooter.
Scooter. Scooter nĩyo ha cũcũ wanyu Baragũ? Gatitũ. Ona Baragũ nĩ wa Nyĩrĩ.
Okay.
So we ũciarĩirwo Scooter?
Yeah.
No ũkarerwo gũkũ ũgathomera kana nĩ umĩte nja wa Nyĩrĩ?
Education, my primary school, I was in Nyamachaki Primary School. Then after that, I went to Mobi Girls in Murang'a. Yeah.
We product ya Mobi.
Yeah.
Very nice. No mũtiagĩkĩũraga ũtukũ mũgathiĩ disco?
Asha, but that was very strict. Very strict mũno hĩndĩ ĩyo.
Okay. Biashara ya salon rĩ, wamĩingĩrĩra atĩa?
Ndekire ũguo, after ndarĩkia form 4, ndathire college in Nairobi. School called Kenya School of Hairdressing, yarĩ ya mũthũngũ. So I did my hairdressing and beauty. So attachments yetwaheagwo rĩ, twaheagwo mĩkawa mĩnene. So I went to Nanyuki, Mount Kenya Safari Club, Fairmont Hotel, kũu nĩkuo ndapostirwo, like my attachment. But I worked very hard. So whatever we were being given as our salary, my tips were larger than the salary. Koguo I keep on saving.
Kũu Mount Kenya Safari Club ũreka atĩa exactly?
Beauty.
Yes. Beauty hĩndĩ ĩyo nĩ gwĩka atĩa?
Hairdressing, manicure, pedicure. Na our clientele marĩ athũngũ. Okay. Most of them marĩ athũngũ. Yes.
Na hairdressing nĩ kĩndũ wendete? Kana?
Yeah.
From kitambo?
From kitambo. Ndikana my dad nĩagwĩte ndikwenda. You know those days, meciaragia hairdressing nĩ like the less prostitutes, Little did they know that hairdressing, it was the best career ever in life. Even today, you see hairdressers who are doing very well. They're doing very well. But my mom fought a lot of battle with me. Nigetha jekete the college yo. So my dad daga salon. Okay. So, but me, I worked hard for it. And before nyandikitwo ndandikwo nĩ ona wendo ka muci gika 1 2 3 nakona yes. Yeah, she's okay.
So the wapost to Mount Kenya Safari Club we internship.
Yes.
Na tips iria ũraheo nĩ athũngũ nĩ nyingĩ gũkĩra mũcara. Weka atĩa nacio?
Da save. Kaba gĩtagwo post bank. By then rĩu handũ nĩ bathi nĩgetha mũndũ athiĩ gwake rĩ kaida ka post bank bank. So that's why I used to bank every morning. Bia daheo tuko kiroko gekatia
ugasi
bank kafuka kanuletea ati ni mundu ekeo karatathi. So I saved a lot. So geshiria uhoro wa biashara by my mom ari wa biashara from the word go, and dona gorekaga na ndo igida dedete muno na wira wa biashara. So gira my mom dena bia dinacio I want to start a salon of my own.
Wanata cigana ũguo?
200,000.
What?
Yes.
From the tips?
Yes. Yes.
Kwarĩ mwaka ũrĩkũ?
That was 2001.
To 1. Yes. 200,000 itiakĩhanaga milioni ta igĩrĩ.
Yes. So that salon was town thĩinĩ. So mwene endaga 300,000. A lady called Mercy.
Now in Nyeri?
In Nyeri. So that's how I did. And my mom akinyogerera kire nyogereire ngiriha duka 300,000 ngimehinga
wariha wahinga
ngihinga ngithina mbere na wira ngithũkũma rĩngĩ. So I started buying some small things. Then my mom akĩnyita guoko ngĩhingũra salon.
Ati?
Yes.
So ti atĩ nĩ wauga nĩ ngũhingũra woka wahingũra. Wamba kũrĩha nduka wacoka wĩra. Because some of us things ta maũndũ magĩrĩirwo nĩ kũhanĩka pap.
No. Gũtirĩ ũndũ ũhanĩkaga pap. Aca. Ndendaga at least ngorwo ndasave rĩngĩ ngũre indo. Ndendaga, my own, like I want to do it on my own. So some things my mom bought for me. Yeah.
Na imwe ũkĩgũrĩra. Why Nyeri? Wacagũrire Nyeri nĩkĩ?
I just I don't know how I think ndonire nduka ĩyo handũ hega mũno called Gakere Road. It was the main street ya Nyeri. So I could know that everyone was flowing from downstage to upstage. So I knew that was the main street ya Nyeri. So ngiona and then my mom had a shop next. Na ndonaga ũrĩa ekaga nduka ya nguo. So ngiona nduka hau.
Nĩ gũpick kana nĩ ũkwamba gũstruggle?
Ndastruggle hani.
Like how long?
Like 8 months.
8 months.
Yes. But after that, pick proper. I'm a devil worshipper. They are going to take it to get that moke. Yeah. It picked. And it picked because I shukirege higura salon igere. Still in Nyeri. And a very nice kinyozi, very executive. And I had once I had 15 girls. So you can imagine. Dedicated 15 mweno mwe. Mweno dedicated 10. Then kinyozi had 10.
What?
So you can imagine. Yeah.
Acio nĩ andũ aingĩ. Gĩtiribũ gĩkĩ gĩa go struggle the 8 months na gũcoka go peak. Is there something you did? Maybe you were not doing the first month, the second month, the third month. Ukiona rĩu rĩ, let me do this. Nĩguo yambĩrĩrie go peak, or it just peaked? No,
what I did, I started getting girls from Nairobi. I used to pay for them. Kila kitu. And I pay them. So I used to train my girls. So anything latest that it is in Nairobi, it is in my salon. So I trained very many people. Ona yetu akwa wira. I know ona ramuro da ora ni watch re. Nio ila chick I have like 70 girls that I've trained under me, and they're doing very well. Very, very well. So I used to get girls from Nairobi, gamadika like 2 days, mokamaka ni train. I used to akwa wira, mashoka makashoka. So anything latest that came, I was
salon yako.
Yes.
Yeah. Niki kiabumaga muno hedo in terms of hair
weaving, and we used to do good weave, we used to do good lines. I mean everything. Yeah. I'm the one who said nīndaremetwo dwaranyire tips. Yes, kia kuongerera. Then we did waxing. I went to China. I came with the spas, Shiamagoro. So anything that was being done in Nairobi, I used to do. Yeah.
Na China nayo wamimenya atia?
China, I have my cousin. I used to go to China. I used to do very well. So I said that I want to give a try. But when I was going to China, I didn't have money. I don't agree that magana matatu. Ndĩraũthi kũmenya China kũhana atĩa. Na ngĩthiĩ. Na ngĩmenya. Ngĩuga tũrĩ tũnini. Ngĩambĩrĩria gũkũra gũkahora. Ndathiĩ na magana matatũ rĩ, ndagũrire rĩ, ciugo cigĩndehera magana matandatũ na kĩndũ.
Wow.
Ngĩthiĩ Family Bank. The manager was called Mogwe. Ngĩmwĩra vision yakwa. Akinyana kũhe milioni 1. Akĩhe loan. So au nĩguo ndambĩrĩirie gũthiĩ kũgĩra ũkahora. Ngiuma hau ngĩambĩrĩria kwĩra furnishers na njuĩrĩ. I mixed maũndũ maingĩ. I had a very big go down in Nyeri, house scooter. I did furnitures, I did toilets. Ngĩambia gũthiĩ mĩciĩ ya andũ arĩa maraka nyũmba. Ngamarehera indo. That's how it started. But icoka KRA kĩngora. Whatever I had cleared in the county, tiyo yari ho, kĩgwa thĩ biũ ngĩharagana. Yeah. I went back to the salon.
So wathiĩ China, you didn't just focus na kũgũra indo cia salon.
No.
No, I enlarge your mind.
And let me tell you something. The mistake I did. Ona andũ mathiĩ China ũmũthĩ. Watu nĩ gũthiĩ kũgĩra njuĩrĩ. Focus with your hair. Don't mix other business.
ndukoke na gĩtĩ
tondu mundu athiaga China akahana muguruki ni ndathie ngihana muguruki but the furniture business it went very well tiga ni maundu mahanikire but if you're going to China if your focus is beauty do beauty if your focus is fabrics do fabrics, don't mix up things or to get confused you lose here no na ukaluzi mwana if I did hair and other things for beauty and everything igeti da salon ndi kwa concentrate na kina juna kiki but you see dina miaka-inī de jwere-inī weite-inī you know you get confused,
so you focus on one line
focus on one line
hindi no ni wabetie family or you still
I
a
had
young girl?
No. I had my first born girl. She's in Australia. She's doing nursing. And then after like 7 years, I got my twins. But I had a very bad marriage. That man was very brutal. In a way, because sometimes I could get home very late.
Mukiendana kiambiriria-inĩ ri ni mundu wonete kada njega supportable. How did you meet?
We just meet in these social media, social places. Yeah. I thought he would be a good man. He acted like a good man, but he was not. He was very brutal. Ni mundu wa bara muno.
Ni agukuhura
Few. Coming home late and being late, that is salon you know about salon. You can even go to like on a weekends to na mohiki kinya Nairobi na ginya Thika. I had clients all over Kenya. Me, everyone, I am known with my work. But he thought that kuna maundu mangi ndireka no ndi wira-ini. And
ndaguka confirm we wira-ini
wakwenda ukite confront hau wira-ini hakwa. Ngiri hanake akwa wira ri because I had even men. Akora ngiri na mwanake hau wa wira kiwa ni maranyumba andu akwa wira ni maranyumba, which was very bad. Ginya odo ira kuharagania hau wira-ini hakwa. I had to call my brother to come and intervene. It was bad. Todo ginya mema mnaregire ndacirio. Mema gwangi ndakwenda kuracirio.
How?
Auge ndakwenda kindu.
Muthuri auga ni agukarora
Mama kiwacha.
Your mom refused.
Because neonaga uria mundu anitritaga. But I used to be in love. Na guti kindu kiuru reke ngwire like being in love. Because I used to walk out of that marriage ngekora kuo. I used to walk out of that marriage. My mama kaje okay da chiria muitu mukigwa atia. Are you okay? Ngamira my mama muki no reke nyambe ndike wendo wa mundu uyu. Ngathama nyumba ino ngathie no agoka. Ngathama guku ngathama agoka. Tukawacokanio. But he made my kids go through trauma. Like my daughter Natasha. Ithe kwa tu kwari muri ufiu ambire kuharagania ku agetema.
Your daughter?
My daughter.
Agetema.
That pain cost her a lot, you know. And me, I moved on.
You know, maita maingĩ ngĩthikĩrĩria atumia rĩ ũiguaga mũtumia arakuria ingĩaumire thiĩ kũ ndirĩ wĩra ndirĩ biacara ndirĩ kĩ. In this case wewe na wĩra
ni ndaina mbeca kumukira
wĩna mbeca kumukira and you're still stuck with
but
him.
What I thought this whether ni kindu kiuru don't say stuck with him because I tried. And I want to tell you one thing, whether ni kindu kiuru whether ni it's bad because nyagia horire umuthi okay jire sorry na mahua na joke. Okay? I was so much in love. Na ni ndaina mbeca kumukira. But what I came to realize later, maybe adakolo my self-esteem, you know, ani lo efio dige gwiciria dige like I remember very well I got into kwido dash mito gire China atond called charger. Na nitaiko ile ido cia jeshi. And that work could give me good money. No agi confront andu acio. Mundu ucio waheaga wira akiwa ndakwenda kuo ndi athi na atumia ene na ni wira areka atia arahe you know ni wira areka atia. Actually I could be very far, very far because people saw the potential in me, but him onago mundu urendwo, you know. But for me I was not there. Me needed dake
wewe da gũthũkũma ya
yeah.
How ha self esteem wagweta ri akuhũra ri rimwe ni ũngĩokire salon
very down.
Yeah.
My mom used to come and tell me, Kariki, very down. Ukwadwenda kinya kuta wira ucio. You know? Te maji kiroko mundu ni gira kiroko ari muri akurume kiroko. Would you concentrate?
No,
you can't.
I gira kiroko.
Yeah. Na me, I would love to tell men, edatumi yanyu no mahe wedo. You know, me, I would give someone an advice. Edatumi yanyu no mahe wedo. No te kuruma mutumia wako kana kumuonia she can't. When she can, you know, because while your wife, that self-esteem, utikudumugika na utudumugika,
True,
utudumugika,
ne keke ugia ko drive out now, ukiuga now this is the last time and I'm going, onoka na mahu onoka nake, I am not going back.
I remember I had a house girl. She was a Kisii girl. No, okitha wakwa na mwana. So the Kisii girl, one day I was going to Dubai. Akija mam dokodika goko. Gikora niki ehe dokodika goko. Nie negothi dokodika na Mūthuri wako. Gimuria niki. Akija Kagoni na ndukamuonira gikete. Gikora andike mwitu wakwa message. Uria mwendete. Uria ramwenda. Like akamwandikira when when I have traveled, akamwandikira come to the bedroom before the kids get out, you know, to my bedroom. Dimwe get my brother. Gimetoka one ditoile
mwiri tu
hayago. So I confronted him. Akija Safaricom has a problem.
Ati. Ati Safaricom has a problem.
This is not me.
This is not my number. Ati no getekia.
Digetekia. What I wanted, the dad where wake odire few from me. Diketea.
Weherere.
Yes.
That's the time you left.
That's the time I did. No. Gikara haya gegwere giya the twins. Daga two twins what were. It was a CS. I died more I had a lot of pain. So I had some day scholars because they wanted to aware. So one day I told him, come over. The kids are really crying. Oh, they wake up. You know, because even waking up is a problem to go to get a daycare. I did a more to that boy. Look for what? And don't call me again. Areba. Where were you calling me? What is your problem? Who did you to give birth to twins? Akehora bareta na bara.
When mushaire.
Di mushaire. I had to call my mom. My mom drove at night to where I used to live. We had to call the father. Okay. Nigetha ugete unikia red. Na hidio aliko wakwa.
Hidio ego wako.
Nyumba wakwa. So it was so bad. You realize how hahari. I think it's me who have a problem. I need to go. And then I saw like this guy, there's a problem with him. And I decided, see, I'm working. See, I'm doing 1, 2, 3. Let me leave. Nekenyume goko. Nekenyume. Na giuma. My mama got to I call she share niguthomithia ni. Ici ni niguthomithia. I call she ndikota guthomithia no ndukuhura mwana wakwa ringi uguo. So my mama kija enjoy OB. But I still came back.
To him. You still came back.
Yes. And we stayed for like 4 years. And I left completely. That's the time I left completely. Yes.
Tokwihindu wendo utangikureka wehere.
Agoka kiroko akaje. I think I have a very beautiful girl. You're so ugly. Kiroko, I'm preparing breakfast for my children. You're so ugly. I have a very beautiful girl somewhere.
Ati.
And then where have you come to the house? So you stay with her. You go stay with her. Yeni edera kugwithia few myself. Yes.
Egukwira uguo ciana ikiguaga.
Ndenda kumenya.
Ciana ci hau.
Then also kaidi emotion yete. Then that na kuja you're so beautiful. Don't kamushire. You're the most ugly woman I've ever seen. Guy.
Ati. What? So Wanjira urauga kwi wendo mutumia ndangehera handu wendo wake utathirite.
Ndagehuta
ona ngikwatia.
Alishokia urimo hau.
Soko hau.
No wathira.
Wathira ugathira.
Ba uthiraga no gathira ndugetha kumwona ringi.
The day weherire it was
was done and done and done and done. He kept on sending people saying sorry. I decided not to go back there again, and I can never go back there again. Yes.
Wanenda rĩngĩ?
But not.
Sio hiyo.
Hapana.
Ni sasa ni ile ya juju.
Because wonaga terere okwenda mundu ahane okay. Yeah. Yeah. It's sad.
Gukorwo wi financially independent ni kugiragiriria hihi arume amwe magagwitigira?
Okay, gwire. When it comes to love, ndurora gahoro wa besha. Ndurora hara respect. Respect is paramount. Uti kindu kia tagiteo. Na mundu matithania nake, you know. Like I can say, from class 4, he has never paid school fees for those children.
From class 4?
Yes.
My
daughter went to Australia. He didn't even know he was going to Australia on a view sasa ine. I did it myself. He never knew that even when my kids were in Mount Kenya Safari Club, Mount Kenya Academy, he never knew the school fees I used to pay. I struggled alone. I struggled a lot. COVID came. I got COVID. Ikoma thivitari. And my mom nake ikoma, but my mom passed na COVID. Ndakoma thivitari akawa thimu akajira ati akajira kuu ndũngiuma.
Nĩguo arakwĩra.
Nĩguo aranjĩra kuu ndũngiuma. Kuu ndũngiuma. Andũ iria ikana nĩkũhota kũrĩha bill yaku. I don't know what kind of a man I had in my life. I won't lie to you. Ndiokuhenia. Na
ti mũndũ ati utangĩhota kũrĩhĩra ciana.
I don't know. On a deal kule akora, on a deal kana. I decided to be like this. People, I don't know maji athi kwa children's you got deal with the kwenda mashira. Like domination na ciakwa. In a way, yakita hado, I was almost being auctioned because of school fees. I have a flat. Ninde nyumba cia kuborithia scooter. Giwatri ichinde nyumba you know, ichinde nyumba cia mwana kwa Australia ni hindi ya COVID. So twetagio maundu maingi muno. Mwana ndeta school fees ndedo ngiri magana manana ana mari Mount Kenya Academy meda magana matatu, that is a meter ndikuriha nyumba ino ngomba kuria school fees meta kumita ni meta kiria thukumira
urathukumira ciana.
But I thank Unitas Bank because makimeshuria enda utaho. Yeah.
Nyumba ino, the flat.
Yes.
Tondu wakite na gufandwo ni Unitas.
Yes.
Na ni ile kujiamini, unaamka unasema leo nitajenga plot. Yeah,
dada kwa nyumba yako ya wikara. Jwago na dikedi kwa nyumba yako ya wikara, nikija ke flat, nishikaja ke nyumba yako ya wikara. Understand? Na ge nyumba cha kuborithio, but it's a big loan which mimi nalipanga tu pole. But hiyo denyika.
Niwe fithi, niwe kuria, niwe miaka eno yothe.
Maundu mothe.
Niwe thibitari COVID alone.
Maundu mothe.
Handu haku encourage arakwira kuu ndũkuma.
Kuu ndũkuma ni gukua. Ni mundu I don't understand. Very arrogant. No na nginya na nguwa you're very arrogant. Very arrogant. And ni mundu I don't understand him because uti mundu gikira miaka ena atakora ciana ciake, you know.
True.
But I keep on telling my kids, that is your father. No matter what, that you give him respect. Between me and him, we had disagreements, but between you and him,
he's your father.
He's your father. But you see, whatever they saw in him, it was
matigeda correlate nake. So you don't need ona ku brainwash ciana mere mundu ni muru.
No.
Ni makorago meyoneire.
Emu ya makashema na omedane nigi. Takame.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
Blood is thicker. So I keep on telling them, that is your father. No matter what, you have to have blessings from him. Yeah.
Something you mentioned, your daughter, what is happening. Did you ever seek therapy for her? Or
do you know what happened? And I don't know later. So what I did, we went out with her and we talked a lot. Yeah. She told me I got pain akatuka relieved. Yeah. She's okay.
Were they affected?
They were all affected. Like now my daughter, she was Australia. She had come for for holiday in Kenya. Augenda kwenda kuona ucio. Why?
Ndekwenda kumuona.
Ndekwenda kumuona. If he was a good man, ndagiamwethire?
Niangiamwethire.
So, answer your question.
Wow.
Yeah.
We, okay.
Yeah.
La chick neturaga?
I closed.
Why?
What happened today? I have trained so many girls. Nyeri town, that is my product. Those young girls, people, those are, they are my product. And so when it came to exhibition salons, when it came, so I don't that needed ni stalls shiao, and you're not where wa salon because they were cheaper than me, and the same girls used to do salon la chic. So what do you expect? They'll go to those cheap people and those the same girls.
The same girl, yeah.
The same girl. So giona hatiro kawega. Geshiro agweka next. But I had said miaka kinya dikwenda service. Because it was too much. The girls magire kwa kiroko, clients mokire, maybe they slept out, magagoka. The client it is so embarrassing. The client nyokira uri kara hawo nenda guthondekwo,
Hatire
mundu wako
biashara ni rima challenge.
Salon challenge. So it's to shut. I don't know. I used to make money. When I had 19 girls, 18, 19 girls. Na modu wa beda namhagia giri 80 per month. The modu wa beda. So I was making like even 700k in a month.
In a month?
Yes.
In Nyeri?
In Nyeri. I used to make money.
Ati?
Yes.
Weheretia maruta maku?
I used to make money.
Wow.
That's why I decided I saved money. Yeah. And still kids. No way. Yeah.
We, so wamehiga completely. Donatigio
nakaya. Deshe deke exhibition onani dinagi nekani goka utiro kodo. Reke deshi do agweka next. So a friend of mine called me in Nairobi. She's called Mary. My cousin wa affordable houses. He is the major contractor of affordable houses. Neda do supply materials. So you come and try. The opportunity go ka ukuri need nayo. Yes. And I'm happy. I'm okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Eyo ni line ege wegera.
Yeah. And now she also does spares. So gika affordable nije ginya bebe nije ginya bebe kuma Tanzania na Uganda. Chigejina getikana nacio. Githina bena na affordable. So akejira agikorwa ena ga challenge kidogo. Akija kandi negwenda duka anyenderie. Bunyara Road, Free Bazaar. That's where my shop is. It's called SWG Auto.
Spares.
Yes. Itika nigwenda duka ya spares. Gima direda. Give me how me don't know spares. Me where I am today, me I'm very down. Deda unyandike. Uko ure duke no yako unyandike. Give me how. And she used to be high. When the husband died, things changed. She went flat also. Give me how. Akija deda unyandike we. Come and uka gonekere duke no yako. That is how I acquired the shop. Affordable, they pay well. Afford to giona besha share wekate. Share
kugura eno ya.
Na no ile githine of dare the. Fio.
Ni uhingire ginya duka. Ni uhingire salon riu.
Ona school fees ya na form for dare mono kuriha.
Ati
mauma damariha marikia form for, you understand? Give geria na mwalimu ngimwe ndi muriha because like, there's no you can give me the results before.
Yeah.
All right? Dare the pew. Completely. Yes.
Post COVID.
The 18, so it is like 2 years ago.
2 years ago.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's a near, not even 2 years. It's a near. Yeah.
Why took the opportunity kia
higuka? One, higuka really. I found a guy, a friend of mine. Akija an opportunity. It had a CMC. It could do radio. Ukatunda kato wekate. Imagine by God grace, gihawira was the one like wa CMC show the Kenya.
Ati
nyedido show the magari naki. No nebe shawekate kuira spare. So gonna be shawekate shakutaka affordable.
Affordable housing. Wow. Okay. Ta mutumia wina so much experience in business. Niri umenyaga now it's time to exit. Tariu hindi yo ya salon ukamenya, yes, I was doing very well in Nyeri. I was making this kind of money. Now it's time to exit. Ukona spare parts. Do ni warutite ni wadetie spare parts before? This is an entirely new business.
New business. Yes.
When do you tell now it's time the dancer to leave the stage? Now where this other opportunity?
When you get challenged in paying the rent, okay? When you get challenged in doing the things that you used to do, durahota gukinyanĩria. Ukamenya haha hena red flag. Haha hena gathĩna. Ukona bills cia thitima ndũhota kũrĩha. My note nĩ irio ndũhota kũrĩha. Na hĩndĩ ĩyo nĩ ũhingũte kĩ? Salon. TB ũrathiĩ gwĩtanga. Aca.
Nĩ harĩa citirakinya.
Itirakinyanĩra. Yeah. I said to exit. I was like, let me just go. Actually, nimekaa Nyeri sana, miaka mingi sana. Reke nyume nendeka nipo nake. And I'm trying and yeah.
What about courage yo ya kuga? Ni gwedia spare parts ona itoi kuria ciumaga.
Ni the risk taker. Ni tulitagika Ndigiura mundu gake no handu na mbeca haria ri ni kuthi kuigirira na nyone ni kiadrona. Me am a risk taker. That is one thing I want to tell you. Because ugikera ati wikere ugu ati saluni yathira ru jikare hau ugu hoheire hau ugu ati tuneka kwe mundu no guthomithia ciana ciakwa. I don't have anyone to pay to. It is only me.
So enda usome huko ndani.
Enda ufanye, tembea.
Usome huko ndani.
Yeah, the few.
Okay. Wanjira is someone who has passed through gender-based violence. Na yet we mutumia, you know, outside mutumia marakuona you're doing well. You're very beautiful. You have your own business and it's doing very well. But at home, we mudu muhinyiririe muno going through a lot of violence. Looking back, niki ungiekire utekire hindi iyo? If time no icokanio na thutha, we could in such a scenario. One, would you even stay the years you stayed in that relationship?
No. Actually, like my daughter in Australia, she tells me, Mom, if I can get a boyfriend who shouts at me, I can't even stay with him. You know? So before you engage yourself to anyone, don't rush to where don't you remove? You have fallen in love. Learn who this person is. Learn. Kanimodo bruto kaniki kaniki. Learn. Na ndugetikire kuhuru. Ndugetikire.
Towago dhoria mbere no ukaguthoria keri.
Yeah.
Yes.
Na gatatu nya ukutha ringi. Nene kwa kukwira sorry. He used to bring for me flowers, perfumes, you know. And I was like, okay.
Anyway, okay. Mutumia, we in such a marriage, ina ruo ruingi muno na no koti kuhurwo ni emotional damage. Ona ni atigire wira wake. Ringi ari mwandiki agitiga wira wake to Mūthuri ni amwirire atige wira wake. What is that one word you have for such?
Walk out. Have that self-love. Wede bere wede mundu gima. It is so painful. Because I wasted so much time. Maybe nigyo ni mundu kunyenda uri ade. You understand? Nigyo ni mundu kunyenda. Like I Wanjira anyende few. Hadu mundu muthe wakakwira sorry. Na sorry. Your husband, he's cheating out. Okay, kwira sorry. Au kwira sorry no ucoka horege. All right? Au kuhurwo muthe kwira sorry no wacoka horege. Just walk. Kimbia, run for your life. Me, I know the trauma I went through. In a way, that was depression. I went to a chemist. Only Susan, wagera dawa ishi oh ino haini. Yumede daudi ukoma. Dukikota ukoma. Kiongo kiri wataki hihire mo dai kuruka. You can't sleep. No ukoma to dwake mudura ukoma ni were no johia ranywa kuri ari. Muda ukoma ni were ena hiko dukure na hiki. Ona. Mudura duka utemera bakure. Him is okay. Nedi uthaka golf. Yeah. When I ori haha, umwetereire. Ta mundu tari nomo. Women muende, mundu akamba ende before ende mundu cio winake. Wow.
True. We, okay, watwira wendagia spare parts.
Yes.
Bunyala Road.
Yes, Free Bazaar.
Free Bazaar niho nduka yaku iri.
Yes.
Ni uri contact cia biashara, maybe mundu arenda kugura kindu kia ngari or something.
Yes.
Muno wendagia spare parts iriku?
Nyendagia cia German machine, that is Mercedes Benz, Audi, BMW, Range Rover, icio nicio nyendagia. Yeah. Yeah.
Ni uri contact ya biashara ungituhe?
Yeah. Ni 0722 769082. That is 0722 969082. Yeah.
So purely German machines.
Purely German. No mundu agenda kindu ri ndikia kumusocera. I will source.
Ni ukumu connect rigi na foodi mechanic mwega wa search ni ngari icio ni fatara.
Actually, I'm opening a garage. Yeah. I have a yard. I want to open a garage. In like on maybe end of this month I'll have my own garage. Kada mundu ka hado alifisagirwo gari. Yeah.
Okay. Haya. So mwiroreri wake angigikorwo kiri na ngari icio muthemba ucio Wanjira aragweta the German machines. Indo ungenda kindu igi ngari yaku ni yathukirie kindu ndukareke ikare garage-ini yaku ati tondu uyu kugura kindu ku Wanjire haha ni gukwenderia kiu urabatara na gu connect na the right mech nigetha aguthondekere ngari iyo yaku icoke bara ringi. Ni wakigwa nginyagia na arahingura a garage for the same cars. For the same cars.
Yeah.
Wow, thank you Wanjira.
Most welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're most welcome.
It was worth it gucemania nawe.
My pleasure
I'm
too.
very sure he mutumia waigua nuru waigua tawarahurwo
Walk. Ngumira walk. Mbia.
Ukimbia kabisa. Mundu wa violence ndari hindi agacenjia.
Gutiri agacenjia. Na gutiri agacenjia ever. There are good men out there. So yeah.
Na riu no would you wende ku find love again?
Oh yeah. There's nothing lonely like this life of singleness. Like now I look at my children. Mudiga nyumba or the TV, you know, like okay, the twins need marikire shukuru. You talk kidogo medhi mwili madhire. You know you're just there in the house alone.
Alone.
Yeah, it is lonely.
Ona marorete guthi campus.
Ona make college. Yeah. Yeah.
So with no time ne mekwehera madhie.
Makujihutira.
Yeah. Hey.
Yeah. So it is lonely. Yeah.
Okay.
It's a lonely life.
Okay.
But what do you do?
Ningi ndungigitengerera
Ndũgũtengerera atĩ nĩgetha
wahota gwĩkora ina was
the same web that I was in.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much Wanjira. Nitokena nĩ gũcemania nawe. And thank you for wĩra ũrĩa ũrutĩire airĩtu a Nyeri in the beauty industry.
Yes.
Hey, mundu, by the way, there's someone who told me about you.
I have a lot of girls.
Nĩ akũnjĩraga airĩtu aingĩ Nyeri nĩ magereire moko-inĩ mao.
There's a time I went to Nakuru, gig pop in a salon. Giwa mundu munene, no, a boy I trained. I was very happy.
Wow.
In Nairobi they are there. I'm very happy. Yeah.
Wow, athire akiga wĩra wake Nakuru.
Even as an MCA. I trained her. She used to be my manager. She's MCA.
She's now MCA
in Nairobi. So I'm happy.
Wow.
Yeah, at least I am like, yeah.
Ni wathukumire na
ũgĩteithia andũ angĩ mũno.
That is it.
Yeah.
Now that's what we call a legacy.
Yeah.
Thank you Wanjira.
Most welcome.
All right. Mwiroreri twĩtĩkĩria tũhingĩre haha ũngenda kũgayana na ithuĩ rũgano rwaku. Ngwĩraga it's very easy. Namba itũ ya Airtel ĩrĩ hau screen-inĩ yaku, twandĩkĩre WhatsApp message na nĩtũgũkũhũrĩra, or rather we reach out to you na tũbangane ũrĩa ũngĩshare rũgano rwaku metha-inĩ ya Kagoni. Nĩ njĩtagwo Monica Kagoni, ĩno nĩ metha ya Kagoni.